Hi guys, welcome to Colossus Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Alright, in today's class we are going to continue our teaching on sets. So in my last video I explained I did introduction to sets, where I explained all the details that you need to know, like sets are denoted with capital letter, elements in a set are denoted with small letter, elements are enclosed in a bracket called the curly bracket, and every other thing you need to know. So if you have not seen that video, watch this video to the end so that you can see the link to watch that video. All right, so today we are going to be seeing an example on sets. All right, so we have an example here. We have the universal elements. We have the universal elements here as A, B, C, D. So this is our universal element here. All right, so this is it. Then we have our set P and we have set Q. Are you seeing that now? All right, so the first question says we should find P intersection what? Q. Are you seeing that? We want to find P intersection Q. So I would manage this place so that I would not have to take you to another page. All right, so let's do this. The first question says we should find P intersection what? Intersection Q. What does that mean? Intersection means what P and Q have in common. What P have and Q also have. Now if you look here, you can see that B is in P and B is in Q. Are you seeing that? So the first intersection there is what? Is B. Are you seeing that now? Comma. Is there any other thing that is common there? Yes. E is here. Are you seeing that now? E is also what? E is also here. So E is also common there. Is there any other thing common there? No. That is the intersection of your what? Of your A, of your P and what? P and Q. That is the intersection of P and Q. Now the union. The second question says union. P union what? Union Q. Now what does union means? Union means what is in P or Q. That means union, you are just going to write the two elements. So both the elements here and the element here, you will write them together. However, you must not write an element twice. That means as B is here and B is also here, you cannot say B comma B. You just pick one. Are you seeing that now? So you just pick one out of them. So that means the union here will be what? The first thing there, which is what? B. Since B is in what? Is in P. Then followed by what? C. Then followed by what? D. Then followed by what? E. Then followed by what? F. Are you seeing that now? So this is the what? This is the union of your P and your what? Your Q. Are you following? Now the next question, which is number 3, says you should do what? P intersection Q complement. I told you in the previous video. All right, so let me clean this one while I'm trying to explain that. I told you in the previous video that complement only works with what? Universal. Are you seeing that now? Whenever we are talking about what? Complement, you are going to be relating it with the what? With the universal. You are going to be relating it to the what? With the universal. Are you seeing that now? All right, so let me clean this. Let me clean these parts. I don't need this particular set again, but I will still need this, my P intersection Q. Oh, I think I'll need both of them. Yeah, I will still need that one too. So let me just do it up here. I'll manage it up here. All right, it's a very small solution. So P intersection Q complement. That means your P intersection Q that you've gotten. Let's change our pen here. You know, you've gotten your P intersection Q here like this. This is my green pen now. This is your P intersection Q. Now your P intersection Q complement. The complement of your intersection of your P and Q will now be what is in the universal that is not in your intersection. That means you will write all these universal except B and E. Are you seeing that? Let me repeat that again. You will write everything in this universal except B and E. All right, so that means, what does that mean? That means my P intersection Q all complements. Are you seeing that? That will now give us what? Or what will be the element? A. Are you seeing that now? Because A is in the universal, but A is not in your P intersection Q. Are you seeing that now? Then what else? B is here, so I would not write B. C is missing there. Are you seeing that now? Then what else again? D will also be there, because D is not in this place. Are you seeing that now? Then what? E. I don't need to write E because E is in the intersection. Are you seeing that now? Then what now? F. Are you seeing that? So that is your what? Your P intersection Q complement. Are you seeing that? That is your what? Your P intersection Q complement. The element that are in the universal but not in your intersection. Are you seeing that now? All right. So now our fourth question here. The fourth question, which says that our fourth question here says that P union what? Union Q complement. I think, what does this mean? You can pause this video and try this. What does this mean? This means whatever is in your what is in your P union Q, what is in the universal that is not in your P union Q, the values in this universal that is not here. Are you seeing that now? The values in the universal that is not here. So what are the values now? The values will be what? What are the values? A is not there. A is in the universal, but A is not in this place. Are you seeing that? B, C, D, E, F. So that means the let me clean this part so that I'll just I'm coming. All right. So our this thing here now will now be what? The elements that are in this place but not here. What is the element that is in universal that is not there? A is the only answer. Are you seeing that now? A is the only element that is in the universal but not in your P union Q. Are you seeing that? A is the only value that is there but not in your P union Q. Now this type of answer, you got only one element as your answer. This type of set is what we call the singleton set. It's called singleton. Are you seeing that now? It's called singleton set. That means a set whereby you have only one element. You can also call it unit set. So if I ask you what is a singleton set, it means a set that has only one element, and it is also referred to as what? Unit set. Are you seeing that now? All right. Now the next question. Are you seeing that? The next question. So let's clean this part now. Our next question is saying that what? We should do P union what? P union Q. P prime, P complement, which is also the same thing as P prime. Don't forget I said that in the previous video. P prime. Now, what does P prime? What does it mean? Let me clean this part soon. What does P prime? What does it mean? That's the first thing you have to first get from this place. What does P prime? What does it mean? P prime means element in the universal but not in what now? In P. Are you seeing that now? Element that are in the universal but not in P. So what would that be? The first thing you need to do now is to get your P prime first. What is your P prime? Your P prime are elements that are in the universal but not in P. So let's list that. Elements in the universal but not in P. I have A, C, D is there, then F. Are you seeing that now? A, C, then what? Then F. Those are the elements that are in the universal but not in P. In P. Are you seeing that? So that means your P prime, your question now, which is P prime union Q now. Are you seeing that now? So P prime union Q. Don't forget what union means. So you are going to write this and this together. Are you seeing that? So that will be what? A, B, C. Are you seeing that now? Then what? E, F. Don't forget, I told you that you must not write a letter twice. So you can see A is here, so it is here. B is here, so it is here. C is here, so it is here. C is here. I've already written it. Are you seeing that now? Then E is here. This is it. F is here. This is it. So this is the answer for our question what? 5. Are you seeing that? You cannot do this thing without first finding your P prime. Do you understand that now? All right. Now our last question here says that we should do what? Our last question says we should find Q prime intersection P prime. Now I've already gotten my P prime already, so I don't need to go and find it again. Now I just need to get my what? My Q prime. Are you seeing that? I need to get my what? My Q prime, your Q complement. What would that be? Elements that are in the universal but not in what? In Q. Are you seeing that? What are the elements in the universal but not in Q? Elements that are here but not here. Are you seeing that? Elements that are in this place but not in this place. So what would that be? It will be what? A. Are you seeing that? Comma. B is here. B is here. So I will not write it. C is here. C is here. I will not write it. E is here. E is here. I will not write it. D is here, but it's not in this Q. So that means I will have D, comma. F is here. F is here. So that means the only values are what? A and what? And D. Are you seeing that? So now you now want to do the intersection of this and this. Are you seeing that? You want to do intersection of what? Of this and this. What does intersection means? What is common between P prime and Q prime? So your P prime, so your P prime intersection, I mean it is Q first, so although it does not really matter since it is intersection Q prime intersection P prime. What would that be? Q prime intersection P prime. Now elements that are here and also here. What are the elements? Only what? A. And what's the other name for this type of element? This is a what? A singleton set. Are you seeing that now? That's a what? A singleton set. Should you get that now? So our P prime is element in the universal but not in what? Not in P. Are you seeing that? Element in the universal but not in P, and that is what? A, C, F. Are you seeing that now? A, C, F. And then your Q prime is what? A, D. Are you seeing that now? A, D. So the common factor there is A. All right. So that is the answer to that question. All right. So don't forget the way we started. This is how you solve questions involving this type of question. All right. So let me give you an assignment. So let's say given that your universal set is 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Are you seeing that? So that's your universal set, and then A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, and 8. And then set B is equal to 1, 2, 5, 9. And C is equals to, so our set C is equal to 2, 3. This is 2, 3, 9, 10. Yes. So now find. So these are the things you want to find. Number 1, A intersection B intersection C. Number 2, C prime intersection A intersection what? B. Number 3, you have to do C intersection A intersection what? B prime. Are you seeing that? Then number 4, you are to do C prime union A intersection what? Intersection B. Are you seeing? So these are the few things that you want to do. I'm sure you know how to do it. For this one now, you see, you have to first do your A intersection B. Are you seeing that now? You will do A intersection B separately. You will get your C prime, then your C prime intersection, the answer you get here. The same thing here, your C, which is these values here, intersection, your A intersection B that you've gotten, the complement of that A intersection B. So you will do the complement first, and then now do the intersection with this, and then this one, your C prime that you've gotten with the union of your A intersection B that you've also gotten. All right, so this is where we are going to stop for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. For the students of God's Love School, do well to submit your assignment to the right authority. All right, thank you very much, and God bless you.